Hi guys, today we're going to be going over circumference, arc length, area, and area of sector. So we're going to start with circumference, and circumference is the distance around a circle. Okay, so it's the total distance around, and it's not an arc length. It's not measured in degrees. It's going to be measured in like inches or centimeters or meters. All right, and there are two formulas. There's a formula if you are given the diameter or trying to find the diameter, and then there's a formula if you're trying to find the radius or you are given the radius. Remember, if you multiply the radius by 2, remember the radius is only halfway. So if you multiply the radius by 2, you will get the whole diameter. So that's why you can use both formulas. All right, so let's do example 1 through 3. It says find the exact circumference. Exact means leave pi in the answer. Okay, and then we're going to round to the nearest tenth place if we need to. All right, so here we're given the radius. So I'm going to use the circumference formula with the radius. Okay, and I am going to replace r with 14. So circumference equals 2 pi 14. And pi is a button on your calculator. They tell us we want the exact answer, so we want to leave pi in there. So all I have to multiply is 2 times 14 and feet. And that's my answer. Example 2 says the diameter is 15 miles. So I should use this formula since I'm given the diameter. Okay, and I'm going to substitute 15 in for D. Okay, and then we write our final answer. We usually write the number in front of pi. Okay, so go ahead, excuse me, and I want you to write it as 15 pi miles. And that's your answer. Okay, so exact answer, you leave pi in there. Okay, you don't have to multiply that out. We'll show you how to multiply it out later. Okay, we want to know the circumference of this circle. Remember, a radius is from the center to the a point on the edge of the circle. So our radius is 5. So since we're given the radius, we're going to use this formula. Circumference equals 2 pi r. Right? Now let's plug in 5 for the radius. Circumference equals 2 pi times 5. And you can go ahead and multiply 2 times 5 for the final answer. Circumference equals 10 pi. And the units of measure is centimeters. Centimeters. Okay? And that is your final answer.